student, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you in my math online class. Okay, today we will learn about the formula and sequence. Have you ever heard about the sequence? Or maybe you ever heard about the formula? Okay, if you never learned it before, here I will explain to you about that material. Okay student, now we will learn about the formula. What is the formula? Yes, a formula is a set of instructions to working something out. Yes, that is the instruction to working something out. How can you imagine it in this daily life? Yeah. Well, if someone drive a car for some hours and then the velocity of the car is 3 km/h, we can use the formula to find the distance of the car. Yes, that is the implementation of the formula in our daily life. Maybe you can imagine another activity that can use the formula to working something out during that activity. Okay, back to the activity when you drive a car. How we use the formula to calculate the distance of the car? Yes, S equal with P times T, where P is the velocity of the car and then T is the hours that the car used to reach the place. What is a sequence? Sequence is a list of numbers which always in order. Now we will learn how to generating the sequence. A linear sequence. The term in the linear sequence always decrease or increase in the same amount each time. For the example, this is the linear sequence. 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. The term is 2 more than the term before. And now we will generate the other sequence. 17, 22, 27, etc. The term is 5 more than the term before. This is the generating of the sequence. Okay student, after you learn about the generating the sequence, now we will learn about finding the rule of the sequence. Yes, we will find the rule for the sequence. For the example, here the picture, there are 3 patterns. The first pattern contains 5 dots. The second pattern contains 7 dots. And then the third pattern contains 9 dots. The third pattern for the sequence is F2. And to know the rule of the pattern, we can make a list like this. Position number. First, there are 5 dots. We can analyze it that 5 come from 2 times 1 plus 3. 1 comes from the position of the number. And then you see the position number for 2. There are 7 dots. 7 come from 2 times 2 plus 3. And then the third pattern in the position number 3, there are 9 dots. 9 come from 2 times 3 plus 3. So, we can find the rule of the sequence is 2 times position number plus 3. From that rule, we can find the other number in the next position number. Okay student, after you learn about the sequence and formula, now I will give you the information about the special sequence that we can find it in our life. And then the other sequence is square sequence. And then the triangular sequence. You can find the other special sequence in our life maybe. And we can learn it more using your sequence kit. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim, finally we can finish our class and we have a new knowledge about the sequence and formula. I hope you can enjoy the math material for the next class. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.